student. Today's we will learn standard 9 maths 1 chapter number 1 sets. Okay. In the previous lecture we studied the sum related terms with the sets, which are first one types of the sets, equal set and empty set. And also we are solving the practice set number 1.2. Okay. In this lecture we study the new term. Which one the new term? Today's we learn the Venn diagram. So what is mean by the Venn diagram? Okay. Venn. So you know that the some terms or some concept, some ideas are better understood with the help of the diagrams. Okay, and this idea was used and developed by the British logician John Venn. Who is John Venn? To study the sets. And this diagram represented by the sets which are called as the Venn diagram. Okay, so we take the first one example. Here, example 1 is set X. There are the elements are A, B, C and D. Okay, this set represented by the Venn diagram. How to represent by the Venn diagram? For the Venn diagram, we use the rectangle, circle, triangle. Okay. Now, here we use the rectangle. First draw the rectangle. Now, here write down the name of the set. The name of the set is X. Okay. Then, write down the elements of the set. Which are? First one, A, B, C and D. So, this diagram is called as the Venn diagram. Are you got it? Now, next one example. Set Y. The elements of the set Y are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and curly bracket is complete. Now, here we draw the circle. Then write down here name of the set. Name of the set is capital Y. Okay. Then write down the elements of the set, which are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. This diagram is called as the Venn diagram. Remember this thing, Venn diagram. Venn diagram means who is discovered by the Venn diagram? John Venn. British logician John Venn was used and developed the Venn diagram. Okay, to study the sets. Okay, are you got it? What is mean by the Venn diagram? Okay. Now we will see the next point is subset. So what is mean by the subset? You know that the set, but the new term is subset. Okay. Subset. First, we take the one example here. Set A. In the set A, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Curly bracket is complete. Okay. Now, set B. The elements are set B, which are 2, 4, 6. Okay. Now, observe these two sets. Set A, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And set B, the elements are 2, 4, 6. Now, observing these two sets, we concluded that the elements of the set B, they are in set A, which are here. The 2 is the element of the set B. Here, 2 is element of set A. Next one, 4 is element of set B. Here also, 4 is an element of set A. 6 is an element of set B. Here also, 6 is That means here A and B are the two sets. A and B are the two sets. There is each and every element of the set B is also element of set A. Each and every element of the set B is also an element of the set BA. Then set B is said to be B is a subset of A. How to write it in the mathematical language? B is a subset of A. And how to read as? B is a subset of A. Are you got it? What is mean by the subset? Subset means if A and B are the two sets, then the element of the set B is an element of the set A. Then set B is said to be B is a subset of A. Are you got it? What is mean by the subset? Okay. In this lecture, we studied that Venn diagram and subset. Okay. Now we see that the some related terms to the subset. That means some rules of the subset. Okay. Now some terms related to subset. Okay. Remember these terms. First rule is every set is a subset of itself. Every set is a subset of itself. That means set A is a subset of set A. That means elements are same in both the sets. Okay? That means every set is a subset of itself. Next one, an empty set is a subset of every set. You know that the empty set is denoted by the phi. Okay? That means the empty set is a subset of every set. Phi is a subset of A. Okay? Next one. If A is equal to B. A is equal to B. That means set A is equal to set B. Then A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. Okay? A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. That means elements in both the sets are equal. Okay? Then fourth one is if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then set A is equal to set B. Remember this rule to solving the examples depends upon the subset. Okay? Remember once again, every set is a subset of the itself. An empty set is a subset of every set, and if A is equal to B, then A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. And fourth one is if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then we write as A is equal to B. Are you got it? These rules? Okay. Now, next one is the complement of set. Okay. First one example is set U. U is the universal set. The elements of U is an A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Okay? And set A, elements B, D and F. Okay? Now, observe these two sets. Here, the elements of the set B, E, these are also elements of set U. That means here B, D, F. These elements are also in set U. Okay? That means A is a subset of U. A is a subset of U. Now, we write as the next set. Which set? You write as the elements of the set U, but they are not contained in set A. Okay? Elements of the U, but they are not contained in set A. Which are A, next one C, next one E and G. These elements are in set U, but they are not in A. That means this set is known as the A complement and it is denoted as A dash. And also it is denoted as AC. Okay? How to write complement of set. Okay, are you got it? What is mean by the complement? Complement set means A, if U is the universal set and A is a subset of U. A is a subset of U. And what is mean by the A complement? A complement means these elements are in the set U but not in A. These are known as the complement set. Okay, here this set is known as the complement set. Are you got it? What is mean by the complement? And this example also we are represent by the Venn diagram here. This is our universal set. Okay, U. Now A is a subset of U. A is a subset of U. Then here C, D, F. These are the elements of A. Okay. Then remaining terms are write down in that portion. That means A, C, E and G. Now observe this diagram. This is the universal set U. Okay. Then A, C, E, F, B, F, T. These are elements of U. Okay. Here write down the G. Okay. Sorry. Here write down the G. Which are elements are here? G. Okay. A, C, E, G. These are elements of A complement. Are you got it? What is mean by the complement? This example is represented as also Venn diagram. And how to represent by the Venn diagram? Are you got it? Okay. Thank you. Now, see the properties of the complement of a set. Okay. Here example is set U. The elements of the U are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Now set A is 2, 4, 6 and A complement is which one? A complement is remaining terms in set U which are they are not in A. 1, 3, 5 and 7. Okay. Are you got it? U means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and here A 2, 4, 6 and A complement 1, 3, 5, 7. Now see the properties. First property is there is no common element in set A and A complement. Now observe these two sets. Here A is 2, 4, 6. Okay. And elements of the A complements these are 1, 3, 5, 7. There is no common element in A and A complement. Remember this thing. There is no common element in set A and A complement. Okay. Next one. A is a subset of U. This one 2 is also an element of U. 4 is also element of U. And 6 is also element of U. That means A is a subset of U. And also A complement is a subset of U. Here the elements of the A complement these are also element of the U. That means A complement is also subset of U. Okay. Then third, the complement of the universal set. The complement of the universal set is an empty set. Which is the complement of the universal set? Complement of the universal set. Which one? It is a 5. Okay. Complement of the universal set is an empty set, that is the 5. The complement of the universal set is U complement. Complement of the universal set means U complement. Okay. And this is 5. That means empty set. Okay. And the complement of the empty set. Complement of the empty set that is 5 dash. Is the universal set under consideration. Complement of the 5 is the under consideration of universal set. Are you got it? Properties of the complement of set. First one, there is no common element in the set A and A complement. A is a subset of U and A complement is also subset of U. Okay. Next one, the complement of the set. Universal set is an empty set. Remember this thing. these questions are asking for the true or false. Okay, the complement of the universal set is an empty set. Next one, the complement of an empty set is the universal set under consideration. Are you got it? Properties of the complement of set. Okay. Now solve the next example. Here you have given the some sets. Okay. Sets are A is A, B, C, D, E. B set is C, D, E, F. And C set B, D. And D set A, E. Okay. Now, which of the following statement are true or false? You have given the sets and then you decide which statements are true or false. First statement is C is subset of B. Okay. How to decide the true or false? This statement is true or false. Okay. First observe the set C and set B. Here set C, there are the elements B and D. Okay. And set B, in set B there are C, D, E, F. Here D is the common element in both. But B, the element B is not in set B. Therefore C is not a subset of B. That means this statement is false. Okay? Why? The element B is not in set B. Therefore, C is not a subset of B. Okay? Next one. A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. Now observe the set A. Set A is A, B, C, D, E. Then observe the set D. D, A and E. Here, all elements of the set A, they are not in D. Therefore, the given statement is false. Okay? Next. Next one. D is a subset of A. First observe the set D. A and E. Then observe the set A. A, B, C, D, E. Observing these two sets, we concluded that the elements of the set D, they are also in set A. That means the given statement is D is a subset of A. It is a true. Okay? The given statement is true. Okay? Next one. C is a subset of A. Which is the set C? B and D. These are the elements of the set C. And A, B, C, D, E. Here A and E, these are elements of set D also. That means the elements of the set C are also elements of the set A. C is subset of A. That means the given statement is B and D are also element of set A. Therefore, the given statement is true. Are you got it? How to solve these questions? Okay. The given statement true or false. Okay. Thank you. Now, next example is given you set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 and set x. Set of all x such that x belongs to n and 7 is less than x less than 50. Okay, you have given the two sets and these two sets represent by the Venn diagram. How to represent by the Venn diagram? First, these two sets are write down by the listing method. Okay, first u is equal to set of natural numbers from 1 to 20. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 20. Okay. Next one, set x. What is the condition? Set of all x such that x belongs to m. That means x is a natural number. But from which to which? From 7. 7 is less than x and less than 50. So we take which numbers? From x, 7 is less than x and less than 50. That means the set x is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay? Then. Now, here do not take the 15. Why? Here our condition is x is less than 15. Okay. So here write down numbers from up to 40. Then draw the Venn diagram. Here first draw the rectangle. This rectangle means our universal set. So here write down the name of the set, that is the U. Then here draw one circle, and this circle is our set X. Then write down the elements of the set X, which are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30 and 40. Then remaining terms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19 and 20. Okay. These are the elements are in the universal set. I reported how to represent by the given set by Venn diagram. Okay.